Hello, welcome to Juniper Support Insights. Let's discover today our new feature, RCS at case opening, and how this could help speed up the collection time and override the RCS settings per a case. Now, the case create page allows collecting of RSI at case opening by typing the serial number of a JSI connected product and hit validate. Juniper Support Portal will automatically detect that the serial number is a JSI connected product, and this box will pop up here. Now, it's allowed to schedule a RCS request by pre-approving the RCS request and pick the day, the time, something in the future, and hit submit. Also, it's allowed now to override the global settings for RCS by clicking on RCS global setting box. What I can see now is the current global settings the JSI admin has set up, which is ask approval, ask approval, ask approval, ask approval. If I need to override that and say please collect the data as you need, so I can override the settings just only for this case by choosing allow, 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 and hit submit. So the collection for RSI will start at 11 a.m. and if JTAG engineer needs more data for this case, it will be allowed for him to collect the data. And that's all. Thank you.